Did you take out the trash? How many times have we been asked this question? It is safe to say more than most of us can remember. The question they should really be asking you is if you sorted the trash. What I mean by sorting is the trash is recycling. It is estimated the United States produces 160 million tons of garbage. That is enough metal to build 2 million automobiles, enough paper to publish all the daily newspapers in the country. Recycling can easily be defined as collecting, separating, processing, and marketing a material that would otherwise have been thrown away. Glass is one of the only few materials that is 100% recyclable, although every product does not have that quality. Some materials that can be recycled are plastic, steel cans, paper products, glass, and even some electronic goods. Why should we recycle, you may ask? Recycling cuts back on global warming, prevents water and air pollution, saves our energy resources, and it's easy to do. A major contributor to global warming is a greenhouse gas known as carbon dioxide. Recycling certain products would release a lot less carbon dioxide rather than what manufacturing new products would. New aluminum goods produce 95% more carbon dioxide than recycling old aluminum. Each ton of paper that is recycled saves 15 trees from being cut down. Reducing global warming will also prevent water and air pollution. Factories and industries manufacturing items made from plastic and metals release a large amount of toxic gases. The increase in population demand for these goods keep them producing. The problem with the water pollution is coming from overflowing landfills. Waste that is disposed in landfills are not treated. Contaminants from the products in landfills seep down into the water levels of the soil where they reach groundwater, and then they pollute it. The overflowing of these landfills is why waste is dumped into seas and oceans. Environmental preservation is one of the most important benefits of recycling. Regardless of the process technique, waste that goes out your door, it is going to pollute the atmosphere. It does make sense to reduce the quantity as much as possible. Another benefit from recycling is it conserves energy. Most of the products that are recycled involve a much lesser amount of energy than making them new. Recycling paper saves almost 65% more than making a new sheet of paper. No matter what you produce, it requires a lot of energy. An excellent example is aluminum. It comes from ground known as aluminum ore. Aluminum ore only contains 3 to 5% actual aluminum, the rest is dirt. In order to extract the mineral, all of the ore is heated at extremely high temperatures. The melting point of aluminum is 1,220 degrees Fahrenheit. The process takes a large amount of energy to melt large quantities of aluminum ore. When the aluminum is recycled, it is about 95% more efficient. Since it is pure aluminum, it does not require much energy to process it. People may think recycling is time-consuming and a hassle, but it is actually very easy and necessary. Many landfills across the United States are being closed down and are caused to increase more to damage environment. The trash that is being produced is overwhelming. Landfills are now forced to expand their area closer to human settlements. There is danger for the population because they are now vulnerable to disease. If you are still not convinced as to why to recycle, Americans alone throw away 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. Plastics are a major source of environment population and are much easy to be recycled. One person uses 2 pine trees or more worth of paper each year. For every ton of glass recycled, 1 ton of resource used to make it saved. Recycling cuts back on global warming, prevents water and air pollution, saves our energy resources, and it's easy to do. With the population explosion, we are stretching our natural resources to their limits. Recycling is for everyone who is interested in living in a safe and clean environment. Thank you.
Back in the middle.